In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hamburger menu to your Wix website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're crafting a sleek and minimalist website or simply aiming for a mobile-friendly design, a hamburger menu is an essential component that not only enhances navigation but also offers a cleaner look. So, let's dive in and get your site looking sharp. First, you'll need to log in to your Wix account and head over to your site's dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage your website's content, design, and settings. If you haven't made an account yet, you'll want to take a moment to do that and confirm your email to gain full access. But assuming your site is all set up and ready, log in, and from the dashboard, we'll move on to the next step. Once you're in the dashboard, find the option that says Design Site. Click on it, and this will take you to Wix's robust design interface. This editor is where all the magic happens, and you'll be spending most of your time here when building or tweaking your site's appearance. Now, let's head over to the website editor. This is where you can see exactly what your site looks like and make real-time changes. Here on your left, you'll notice a whole array of tools, but today, our focus is on enhancing the navigation. Look for the button marked with a plus symbol. This is the Add button, and once you click it, a menu will slide out with various elements you can add to your page. Scroll through and find the Menu and Search section. It's here that you'll see an option for hamburger menus. Now, Wix offers a variety of styles for hamburger menus. Choose one that fits well with your design and aesthetic. Simply drag your desired hamburger menu onto your page. This is a great opportunity to personalize the menu with the colors, fonts, and styles that match your brand. Explore these options and make sure it aligns perfectly with your website's theme. One essential tip is to switch to mobile view in the editor after you've added your menu. Mobile responsiveness is key for modern websites, as many users will be visiting from their phones or tablets. By switching to mobile view, you can ensure that the hamburger menu looks sharp and functions smoothly on smaller screens. Here, you can adjust its position, size, and design to specifically match the mobile layout, providing users with seamless navigation no matter how they access your site. Finally, don't forget to click on the Preview button to see a final draft of your site with the new menu. Look for optimal functionality and design consistency across devices. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to make your changes live. And there you have it. Your Wix site now sports a polished hamburger menu, making navigation intuitive and visually appealing for visitors.